Looker and Power BI solve the same problem through different trade-offs. Looker excels when you need a governed, centralized semantic layer and strong engineering-led data modeling that prevents report drift at scale, while Power BI delivers faster time to value for analysts with a familiar Excel-style workflow, rich visualizations, and lower entry costs, making it the obvious choice for analysts, self-service, and office-centric teams. Enterprise buyers who prioritize a single source of truth and governed models should pick Looker and budget for developer investment, while teams that need rapid adoption, offline desktop workflows, and aggressive price sensitivity should pick Power BI and accept model sprawl as the trade off. And both platforms deserve a short pilot on a critical dashboard to measure total cost, governance overhead, and user adoption before committing.